If you want to improve the overall quality of your life and manifest your goals, a vision board can help you to do that. To be honest, you don't even have to believe in vision boards. Seriously, I only created my first vision board because a woman I know and trust swears by them. Before then, I thought vision boards were some woo-woo fad that would soon pass. Plus I was in such a bad place in my life at the time, I figured it couldn't hurt. Only after watching my goals manifest did I truly believe. This is my favorite tool for people who are just starting out in manifesting their dreams because it's easy to start, fun, and can even be made into a group activity. I host vision board parties every year for friends and family to create their vision boards together. How to manifest using vision boards. Step 1. Understand the steps to manifesting. There are 3 key steps in manifesting. Ask, set your intention for what you want. The more clear that you can be on what you want, the better you can ask for what you want out of life. Believe, trust that the process will work for you. Fears about whether you can create your reality will only hinder your ability to be all in on your future. Receive, allow the change to happen in your life. Start to act as if your goal is inevitable and it will be. Step 2. Visualize the ask. Here's where your vision board comes in. Once you know what you want to manifest, it's time to solidify the idea in your mind with a vision board. Use your vision board to visualize the end result of achieving your goals. Imagine what your life looks like. Imagine what your new daily schedule would be. Imagine the people around you. Imagine how you'll feel. Imagine what types of things you'll be doing. Step 3. Prepare to receive with goal setting. Start preparing yourself to achieve your goal by breaking your dreams down into smaller, more achievable goals. Manifesting isn't supposed to be about waiting for things to happen to you. Instead, it's about moving through your life with intention and purpose. Setting goals and working down the path means that you expect your goal to become a reality you believe. See what I did there? In my story, I started looking for journals and doing the research as if I would be able to purchase it one day, even though I didn't have money for food. Step 4. Be present in your life. The biggest thing keeping people from attracting their dreams is worrying about their past or their future. If you're worried about the training you don't have, your age or your skin color, you might miss some of the opportunities right in front of you. Focus on the moment you're in. Pay attention to the things around you and try to notice when the stepping stone to your desire is near. Remember when I met the woman who gave me my first journal? Step 5. Appreciate this moment. Working towards your goals might be difficult at times, that's a good thing. Commend yourself for taking time for you, for working towards what you want or for trying something new. As you start to make accomplishments towards your goals, don't forget to take a minute to celebrate. Take action right now. Vision boards are one tool that helps you on your manifesting journey. Once you realize that you can manifest anything you want, it becomes easier and addictive to manifest more things. I want to encourage you to take one tiny step to manifest your dreams. Write down one thing you want to manifest this year. Find one image that represents this idea for you. Place that image on your bathroom mirror where you're guaranteed to see it every day. If you want to keep the manifestation party going, click here to join our 5-day vision challenge. Manifesting anything you want out of life starts with one simple step, knowing what you want. Once you have that idea, you can visualize your goals, map out the steps to get there, find mentors to help and focus your energy in the right direction. Take that first step and share what you want to accomplish this year in the comments below. Please, let me know in the comments below. I would like to really hear your opinion. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video. It really means a lot to me. And if you think it might help one of your friends, don't be shy and share this video with them as well. That way, we all can help people we care about to live happier life. And if you didn't do so yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive more informational videos that will improve your health and lifestyle. Thank you for watching this How to Manifest with a Vision Board video, and I will see you on our next video.